In this video, let's talk about how to fix Discord cannot join server. Welcome back everyone to this new tutorial video. Now, before you can fix this issue, there are a few things that you need to ensure. For example, if you have got the invitation link from someone in order to join this particular server, make sure that the link has not expired and is not invalid as well. So if the link has expired or is invalid, this may be the exact issue that you're facing. But however, if this is not the case for you, then what you can try out is try to hop out of the app of Discord and try to clear the cache. So just tap and hold the app of Discord, head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Alongside that, you can also tap on clear all data. What this will do is remove any sort of corrupted files which might be causing the issue and will also log you out of your account. So once you have been logged out, make sure you log in back and try to see if the issue is now fixed. If the issue still persists, this is likely due to app bugs. So what you can do is just open up the Play Store or the App Store, search for Discord, and then make sure you update the application. So these are the few things that you can try out in order to fix the Discord cannot join server issue. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.